So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of VTP Aurelia Kharadi, which is located near VTP Pegasus Township, Kharadi, Pune, and developed by VTP Realty. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. VTP Aurelia Kharadi will be constructed on 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 4 podium plus 36 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK simplex and 3 BHK duplex premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location. मेरे right hand side में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका land parcel. Coming to the location part, project is just located near मुला मुठा रिवर, खराड़ी, पुणे. और ये जो आप रोड जाते हुए देख रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है आवरवाड़ी रोड से. Coming to the connectivity part, तो connectivity आपको मिल जाती है Holy Angels Convent High School within 700 meters, Awarwadi bus stop within 1.6 km, WTC within 4.2 km also. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, multi-purpose court, gymnasium, badminton and football academy, master clubhouse and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, VTP Aurelia Kharadi has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK simplex and 3 BHK duplex premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 671 to 809 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1007 to 1092 square feet, and 3 BHK simplex starting from 1342 square feet, and 3 BHK duplex starting from 1462 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will show the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project teaser of VTP Aurelia Kharadi, which is located near VTP Pegasus Township, Kharadi, Pune, and developed by VTP Realty. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link, and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.